I'm Eriann Faris, the Career and Tech Ed Project Coordinator with the Southwest West Central Service Co-op, leading the Launch Your Future Today, or LYFT Career Pathways initiative. At Launch Your Future Today, or LYFT Career Pathways, we believe everyone's potential is limitless when we know our strengths. Through the alignment of industry and education, we create relevant and engaging opportunities for students to discover, pursue, and achieve the career path that best fits them. In today's fast-changing world, it's essential that schools and students have access to the resources they need to thrive in the workforce. It is equally important for employers to connect with these students, building a workforce that's ready to tackle the challenges of tomorrow. That's where LYFT Career Pathways comes in. We are aimed at helping schools and employers become aware of, understand, and leverage regional resources to enhance CTE by bridging schools and employers, creating a world of opportunities. We are a gateway to a wealth of resources, all designed to strengthen and rebuild career and technical education. Whether you're a school looking for resources or an employer seeking recruitment strategies focused on students and engaging with your school district, LYFT Career Pathways can help connect and leverage regional resources to enhance CTE. We've seen remarkable impacts across Southwest and West Central Minnesota, so be sure to check out LYFT's Career Pathways website at LYFTpathways.org to learn more about current and past projects undertaken since 2018. We're not just here to help, we're here to revolutionize career and technical education, bringing the region together one opportunity at a time. So join us in shaping the future of CTE and connect with LYFT Career Pathways today.